Hello, hi, how are you doing? So I'm currently in Voi and I would like to show you my room. The room is going for 1,500 Kenyan shillings per night. That is with breakfast. Without breakfast is going for 1,300 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, so bed and breakfast 1,500. Bed only 1,300. So here's how my room looks like. Enjoy the video. Bye. So this is the entrance door. From the door, and it goes straight on. You have the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Then on this side we have a sink, a mirror, a towel. Then on this side we have a tub, soap, and the shower. So whenever you see I have a lot of soap, this is where I get them from. Then here we have the bed. So that's my bed. You have a few places for putting stuff, so that's how it looks like. So I have a TV, I have a fan, and all that. The only thing that is making me wonder about this place is the number of sockets that you have. There's no socket on the bedside. You have to charge when you're still awake. Then on this side I have a balcony. Let me show you how it looks. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.